Meaning of dust mite.
Dust mite.
Dust mite.
Dust mite.
Dust mite. A dust mite is an extremely small arachnid that lives in household dust. It feeds on dead skin cells shed by humans and pets. Although they are microscopic, they can cause allergic reactions in some people, such as sneezing, coughing, and itchy eyes. Dust mites are common in humid environments and are often found in bedding, carpets, and upholstered furniture. Effective ways to reduce dust mites include vacuuming regularly, using allergen-proof covers on mattresses and pillows, and keeping humidity levels low in the home.